So let me walk you guys through on how to register Viewpoint. Viewpoint does not have link, does not have referral link. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store. It's available on both Android and iPhone. Just go to your Play Store or Apple Store. Just search for Viewpoint. This one at the top. Once you click on it, you can see my own. I've already have. Let me just update it. Then you just install it. Okay. So once you install, you just click on open and it will open up like this. Just click on continue. Then you are going to put your phone number. If you register with email, it's not going to go. So now we are going to put our phone number. You don't need to on VPN or browsing. Just put your Nigerian phone number. And note, this is not everybody that is eligible for this Viewpoint. If you are not eligible, just try to create another account with another number. So I'm going to test this number. I don't know, maybe I've used this number before. So I'll just click on continue. They are going to send code to this email, to this number rather. So then I'm going to enter the code. So this is the code. Once you enter the code, it will open up. Let's wait. Then they will ask you to put your details. You don't need to lie. You understand? You don't need to lie. Just put your normal name. Yes, there's something I noticed. If you are not up to 30 years, you can forge your date of birth. Choose between 30 to 35 years. You understand? So now I choose 32 years, which is 1993. Then I'm going to choose my gender, which is female. It can work. You understand? If you choose the age range between 30 upward. Then language, you choose English. You choose English. So you can just leave the remaining one. No referral code. You understand? Just click on next. Let's see if this account is going to be eligible. So once it's here, just verify your account with your email. You click on allow. Then you put your email address. Then you click on this box, allow. Then you click on confirm. So they will send you a link on your email. Then you have to let me minimize. So this is the code, this is the link. Then you just click on confirm your email address and your email is going to be verified. You can see it's verified. Let me minimize to the app again. So let's see. Then you are going to click on continue to the program. If your account is like this, that does not mean that you are not eligible. You understand? You just have to wait to like 2 to 3 days. But if you now wait like 4 to 5 days, you don't receive anything, that means that your account is not eligible. You understand? So I'm thinking you should also verify your number too. So let's try it on your SMS. You understand? So let's it be like this, so that you can receive notification from both your email and your number. So let's it be like this. So if you are eligible, if you finally got tax, this is how it's going to look like. Let me show you one of my accounts. So if you have tax, this is how it's going to look like on your home page if you actually receive the tax. So I've dropped video on how you can perform tax in this channel. Just go through the video in this channel. You will see how you perform tax on Viewpoint. So this is just basically on how to register your Viewpoint. So this account that I just created, that does not mean that the account is not eligible. So you just have to wait to maybe 2 to 3 days. Just be checking the app every day. You understand? Every minute, just be checking. You understand? So this but if you wait like 4 to 5 days, you don't receive any time, just delete the account, register with another number. Just keep on doing that thing. You have one account. You understand? It is free. Once you have 1,000 points, you'll be able to withdraw, which is $3. You withdraw to your PayPal account. You understand? So this is how to register Viewpoint and start earning. So this account now, you can actually have multiple accounts. You can have multiple accounts if you have many numbers. So this will be the end of the video. If you got value from this video, make sure that you subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. See you in the next video.